Hello 3D artists, welcome to Nagall version 4.0, the next evolution of our AI-powered library lister. This release has been fully re-engineered to deliver a faster, safer, and smarter workflow for organizing and classifying your 3D assets into meaningful categories. This release brings many powerful features. In this first part, we'll focus on 6 key highlights: the free tier, user dashboard, new user interface, safe input and output workflow, advanced renaming, and AI-powered organization. Let's dive in. In this release, you can start right away with the free tier and explore the complete NAG ALL workflow before deciding to upgrade. No credit card is required. Simply create a free account, activate it via email, and log into your dashboard. From your dashboard, you can claim your free tier and download the latest release of NAG ALL. The free tier includes organization for up to 40 models using the Auto Organizer, along with 40 AI credits to classify your models through the AI Organizer. After clicking Claim Now, you can download NAG ALL, install the software, sign in using your credentials, and activate your license instantly by yourself. You're now ready to start using NAG ALL for free. Now to our second feature, you can seamlessly switch between dark and light modes for a comfortable working experience. From the side panel, you can instantly access your copy of the NAG script. You can work safely with separated input and output paths supported by batch mode, and control all processing actions from a single panel. With 5 visual organization patterns and AI-powered classification. From the settings panel, you can fine-tune detailed actions such as file renaming rules, including capitalizing words, adding underscores, and more. To explore feature 5 and 6, let's first apply it to a chaotic sample library structure composed of both compressed and uncompressed files. Among the uncompressed files, some include preview images while others do not. The compressed files show the same variation. Some contain previews and others do not, and they come in different formats such as zip, RAR, and 7Z. The total number of actual model files is 40, excluding the preview images. Now, for the 5th feature, let's define the library's input path and choose the preferred output path. You can also save any path to your favorites for quick access. We'll keep the Auto Organizer settings at their default and activate the AI Organizer. Let's hit Start. The Auto Organizer now begins organizing the 40 library assets using the default organization pattern. At this stage, the free tier limit of 40 models is reached. To unlock unlimited organization, you can upgrade to either the Advanced or Ultimate license. Once the process is complete, the 3ds Max files are automatically renamed and their preview images are placed right next to them. If you prefer a different library structure, you can simply choose another organization preset at any time. Before running AI Organizer, let's explore the results of the Auto Organizer. A _damaged folder collects corrupted compressed files. The _extensions folder contains all non.max formats, and the _textures folder includes all extracted textures. You can also see that render engine names and underscores have been added during the renaming process. The credit estimator now shows 38 classified assets instead of 40, as the AI system automatically excludes damaged files and models without preview images. Now let's witness the full power of the AI Organizer. It begins creating meaningful categories and classifying the assets accordingly. In just 40 seconds, all 38 valid models are fully categorized as shown in the organization history. The AI Organizer successfully created meaningful categories such as architecture, bathroom, children's room, decoration, and furniture, and many more. Inside each category, every model is accurately placed along with its textures and preview images. Impressive, right? Get started for free and see how NAG ALL changes your workflow forever. Upgrade for unlimited access and get your copy today. See you in part 2 as we explore more impressive features of version 4.